In today, I'm gonna show you how to make blur background in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's go to the timeline. Here is a normal video footage and I will create a blur background. First, duplicate the layer and select first layer. Then go to the effect control and increase the scale value. And then fix the position of the video footage. And then we will go effect and search Gaussian blur. I'll leave the effect on the bottom layer. And go to the effect control and increase the blurriness like 67%. Our blur background is ready. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.